Look at that spectacular view.
Oh, there we go.
Where are we, Parul?
Wedding Hill. I don't want to climb Wedding Hill.
Parul's a little intoxicated right now.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
We have the whole Byington winery to
In our
ourselves.
wedding, or like Asian Chinese, or Thai food. I love Thai food.
It's shadier over here.
Huh?
It's over here. It's shadier
Where?
on this side of the table.
So what should we do now that we have Byington all to ourselves?
Let's make sure that we don't damage the property, so we can come next weekend, or Maggie will kill us.
Yeah.
For sure. Because I know, Billy, I don't care about this wine, you do. And you definitely want to come back here. And you don't want to pay that much of shipping.
$12 shipping, that's crazy, that's nuts.
Is there a house there? Oh my god.
Hi!
What the?
She said hi. Is she naked? Oh my god, I think she's... Oh, let's zoom. I think she's naked.
No, she's not. No, she's not naked.
I think she's naked. Is she naked? do you think she's naked?
I can't see.
Don't lie to the camera.
I don't think so.
I
mean,
think
from
so.
upper
I
part-
think so, and that's
upper
all that
part.
matters.
From whatever I could see, she probably would. Why would you say hi to you?
Because there's people
naked?
here. No, not because she's naked. Alright, let's eat.